Hello and welcome to the CS Card video tutorial. My name is Alex and today we will speak about Documents Editor. Let's begin. Starting with version 4.4.1, CS Card comes with a built-in editor for documents such as invoices, packing slips, and gift certificates. You can customize the documents according to your needs or import the documents that were created and exported by someone else. So, before we proceed, let's go through the key features of the new editor. Different types of documents. Both default and added documents can be edited via the WYSIWYG editor. The unified editing system. All documents use one editing system. So, once you learn how the system works, you'll be able to edit any documents, notifications, and snippets. Add-on support. You can add new documents and snippets with add-ons. Easy notification editing. Coding skills are not required. Just enter the data manually or use variables and snippets. Preview. Check how your documents will look like by using a preview feature. Conditions. Manage the content of your documents by including conditions into code snippets. The separated products table. Use the products table tab to manage the look and structure of the products section. Backward compatibility. All templates are preserved, so you don't have to worry about them while moving from an old system to the new one. The Import and Export feature. Add new types of documents by using the Import and Export feature. Now let's move to the detailed overview of the editing functionality. By default, 4 types of documents are available: an invoice, a packing slip, an order details page, and a gift certificate. Some of them, a packing slip for example, are attached to packages and sent by post. Others, like order details, are sent by email. To overview new features, we're going to use an invoice as an example. This is a financial document with a statement of the sum for the order that can be used to report to tax authorities. The editing functionality is the same for all types of documents. The editor has been greatly extended and redesigned. 3 tabs conveniently separate different functions from each other, allowing you to work either with elements of the document or to see the whole picture on the General tab. To edit the invoice, use variables and snippets located on the left. Just click the variable and it will be automatically added to the desired place on the invoice. Variables and snippets use the same data from the store to substitute correct values. Speaking about variables, there are 2 types of variables available. Common variables that contain general information about orders, users, company, and other main aspects of the store, and variables with an array key that are hidden under the plus buttons. You can identify these variables by the dots between their parts. They specify the general data provided by the common variables. Well, let's take a look at the example to make it easier to understand. Here we have the tracking number variable where O means order. Instead of pulling the full information about the order, it pulls only the tracking number. And if you want to revert unwanted changes after you've already saved them, click the gear button at the top right corner and then click Restore to put everything to its initial state. To change the look and style of the whole document, use the top panel. And finally, to check the result, click the gear button and choose Preview. To see the preview of order details or invoice templates, you need to have at least one order in your CS card. The same thing applies to other types of documents. Now let's turn to the Code Snippets tab. Code snippets are used to represent common elements of the document, such as invoice fields called Bill to and Ship to. On this tab you can create, delete, and edit snippets. You can also use snippets to set conditions to display or not to display some values. For example, you can create a snippet that will hide tax and discount lines on the invoice if no taxes and discounts are applied to this order. Next is the Products Table tab. This tab represents the Products Table snippet, and the snippet creates a table that contains the information about the ordered products. Here, you can not only add, edit and delete columns of the table, but also change their position. To do it, simply drag and drop the desired column. While editing, use variables to fill in the columns. We also preserve the backward compatibility. The old templates that don't have documents, notifications, and snippets will continue working after the upgrade as supposed. The old templates can be found at Design Templates. Here's the icing on the cake for you to finish it up. The Import and Export feature. Add new and modify existing documents and snippets with this new functionality. Use the gear button located on the main page of the editor to import and export documents. You can also import and export documents individually. Just choose a document and click the gear button. The documents are saved in an XML file. After the detailed overview of the general features, let's take a quick look at other documents available by default. The next document after the invoice is a packing slip. It's a list of products that is attached to the package. Let's move on. Order details. Order details are sent by email to the customer as a reminder about the contents of the order. And the last document on our list is a gift certificate, the document generated by the built-in add-on. As you can see, add-on documents are easily added to the new editor. All information is conveniently sorted out between tabs. All you need to do is just enter your own variables. Any types of documents and snippets can be generated by add-ons. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next eScart videos.